STi on Instagram. Go check them out. Gapping people left and right on this channel. So as you can hear, this car has an external waste heat and it's freaking loud. Goodness gracious.
Put you to see a little bit.
Yeah. So, this car is a 2006 STi, pretty much fully built. It's Aspen white, my favorite color, with gold wheels. Arguably the best year, 05, 06. You know, it's a debate. I like 06, but you know, I have an 07, so it's the same style. What's your favorite year?
06, 100%.
06? Yeah, I can't go wrong with 06.
Nothing like a Hawkeye.
Yep. And they only made Aspen white in 06, right?
06, 07 was satin white.
Satin white pearl.
Yeah.
Aspen white just pops. It's like a cleaner, nice, pure white. So we caught up with traffic already. Memorial Day weekend. This was bound to happen. But while we're sitting here, let's go over a little bit of what the car has in it. So,
Right, so
Zephyr engine
build.
build.
Compression's changed to 851, and Efi Logics put their track spec like race motor on it. It's like call it like a time attack. So it's pistons, rods, and entire super tech valve train. Board pistons, 99.75. So there's room left to remachine the block if need be. Pretty much good for about 500 wheel or so.
Yep, safely.
Yep. That's got to be the foundation before you build any Subaru.
Yep. What are you running for a fuel system?
So the Deechworks 850cc injectors, and then their 300-liter fuel pump.
Nice. Stock fuel rails, or is it?
Yep.
Yeah? Oh, okay.
Stock rails.
How about suspension? What do we got going on?
I wanted a little bit of comfort, so it's sitting on some Tine springs. I didn't go coils. Maybe in the future.
You can tell already, it rides nice.
It's pretty bumpy, right?
Yeah. Mine's like real bumpy, like a bulldozer. Brakes, is it stock brakes?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yep,
Stock
there's
Brembos?
stock tech pads in it.
Okay.
But yeah, the Brembos.
Any sway bars?
Yep. Yep, front and back. There's stout mounts. The suspension's been pretty upgraded aside from like the springs.
Upgraded bushings and everything?
Yep. A lot of the suspension's all white line.
Yeah.
White line stuff.
Can't go wrong with their stuff. Maybe I'll let these people have some room. All right. VF39. That's unbelievable.
93 octane.
93 octane. What it's equal length headers too?
So Killer Bee ceramic coated equal length headers. This got the parent high flow catted down pipe.
Oh, this is catted?
Yeah.
Really?
This is catted. Dude, if this was catless, I don't think I could daily it.
Yeah, because it's pretty loud as it is.
Yeah.
NVIDIA N1 race exhaust, right?
Yeah. I kept the cat in also, like emissions. I didn't want to deal with that. So.
Yeah. That's always a pain in the balls.
Yeah.
It still has like the hint of the rumble to it though, you know?
It does.
Like you can still tell it's a Subaru.
It's throaty.
Yeah, it's throaty.
It's a throaty sound. Equal length headers in the, or like unequals, you tend to feel like it's just starving for air. Like you get in it, you drive it, you put your foot in it, and it sounds decent, but
Yeah.
they have nothing up top for RPM power.
It just kind of dies.
You know? Equal length, you get that really big throttle response. It makes a massive difference up top.
Is this external wastegate 38 millimeter or 44?
38 millimeter Tial wastegate. It's got a 1 bar, like 15 psi spring in it.
Top mounted intercooler?
Yep. Top mount with the HKS blow-off valve attached to the speed density tuned. So that's why you get no lag in this.
Yeah. I think if I was to do it all over again, I think I'd go back to a higher flowing top mount, like rim speed unit or something.
Yeah, I mean, Spearco made one of the biggest intercoolers that
This is a
they could
Spearco?
fit.
Yeah.
And their flow is pretty good, so. You don't need a front mount unless you're really going for like 450, 500.
Yeah. Which was my original plan, but 5 years later, I'm still not at that. We're following a Miata, guys, going for a nice Sunday cruise, or Saturday cruise. I have to pull off again.
The sounds, man.
The sounds.
That blow-off valve is really excessive, but it's just so much fun.
Yeah, it fits.
Too much fun.
Fits the car. Is this a stock MAF intake, 65 millimeter, or is it larger?
No, it's MAP. It's converted to.
Oh, it's speed density too, you said, right? Oh,
yeah.
okay.
No MAF. It's got the 4-bar Omni sensor. And it's got, you know, you get that typical flutter from the 3-bar. So it's a lot easier to tune the boost that way. So.
Because I know the stock MAF size starts to get limited around like 350, right? 350 wheels or so. Yeah, that blow-up valve is loud.
Yep.
So you have the same clutch that I do. It's an ACT 6-buck
Yep.
with a lightweight flywheel,
Yes, sir.
sprung disc,
Yep.
and this feels so much better than mine does. I can't freaking believe it.
It's still pretty stiff, but it's bearable.
It's stiff, but it's not chattery. Mine's really chattery.
Yeah, the chatter. In my SRT4, I had the 6-buck and I had so much clutch chatter.
Yeah. I was talking to the guys at Efi Logics. They drove my car, and they're like, it's hit or miss. You could order two of the same exact clutches, and one will be chattery and one won't be.
So I had
They're like, so lucky you got a chattery one.
I had an ACT in the Neon,
Yep.
and then I went to Spec. So a lot of people don't know that Spec basically gets their flywheels from Exidy, right? Because they're like a brother, like corporation of that. So when Exidy has like flywheels and stuff, you're basically getting an Exidy clutch with Spec. So I was able to get a stage 3 full face with that, and it got rid of all the chatter, but it still holds like 500 or 600. So Spec's a really underrated brand if you're ever looking for a clutch.
We are doing a clutch install in my friend's 2015 STi in 2 weeks. He hasn't ordered one yet, but you think
Look
Spec
at
would be
Spec.
a good way to go?
That clutch was really, really easy to drive too. super long in this, but being a rally car, like your first to fourth in this are pretty short.
Yeah, that's what you want though. Makes it feel quicker. All right, ladies and gents, we're gonna close this driving review out now. Thanks again for coming out, driving it. This guy drove like an hour and a half to come see us and have us review the car, so definitely go check out his Instagram page, Mr. PSI. It's Mr._PSI. We'll overlay it on the video. But this is one of those cars that'll just never ever go out of style. I mean, it's always gonna be something special. I know you're selling it, but
big fun factor with this car, especially after how much money you put into it.
I know, it's hard to let it go. That's where I'm at with mine now. I don't know what to do. Do I build it? Do I sell it?
Yeah.
I just don't know.
Love-hate.
Yeah, it's a love-hate relationship. All right. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.